as we take a few moments just to put aside our day-to-day life and connect with nature to a deep sense of understanding and of being just in the now, and of an instinctual connection with all that is around them, and at times a feeling of contentment just of where you are now. As we look upon the waters, we can be inspired by the grace that all that comes in contact with this element, a grace of movement, and we can for a moment think of our own spiritual flow within us, and those that we connect with and journey with us in this flow, this journey, our spiritual journey, that may from time to time allow us to really deeply connect with one another without the need for words or ego, but just in our being and in our grace with which we make our way through this journey of our flow of our spiritual life. Part of nature, part of our being, just for a few moments to really connect with the flow of what's true to our being. Thank you for taking the time to be with me in this little journey on our spiritual lake at www.yourguidedmeditation. Thank you.